Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI to analyze sentiment in text. If you are using Claude AI and you want to analyze your sentiments in simple text, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and here just make sure that you are logged into your account. So here you have to simply enter a prompt. So let's see, I'm gonna pasting my example here. So the very first thing you have to enter that analyze the sentiment of the text below. So once you have done, you have to enter the output format. So here I'm saying that return only valid JSON, and then choose sentiment from positive, negative, neutral. Also include confidence score between 0 and 1. Do not explain your answer. And here is the text. I'm gonna submitting it here, and let's see, well, let's wait for this output. So here is our output. So here's the sentiment, here's the positive, confidence, and confidence level. So in this way you can easily analyze the sentiments of your text. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.